guys, in today's video, as you can see by the title, I want to test a couple of makeup hacks that I found on TikTok. So guys, the first two makeup hacks are, I think, really popular because they have first one has 7 million views and the second one has almost 3 million views. For the first two makeup hacks, I'm going to use a half of my face, so we can compare how they look and how they feel. So this is the first makeup hack that I have for you.
I am literally stocking up on this because I have never in my life experienced something that actually blurs everything on your freaking face. Like, where is my nose? I didn't wear any makeup today. I only wore this. No joke.
So this girl recommended this primer and she said that it's amazing, and because she said that it's amazing, I had to try it out myself, so I went and bought one. I'm going to use just this product on this half of my face, and on this half of my face I'm going to be using the second makeup hack, which is, I think you probably know, it's like the one with foundation. You're going to see what I'm talking about, and this one, this is how it looks, and I have to say that I tried it and this really is amazing. As you can see, my skin is not perfect at all. It has a lot of blemishes and everything, but this kind of feels like I'm putting glue on my face. And I don't know, but I think this is really good. I'm going to zoom you in real quick so you can see the difference. With this primer, this is how it looks, and this is without anything. So this is my clean, clear skin. I don't have anything here, and here I have my primer, and I have to say that I see the difference. Okay, next hack is this one.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7, and it's not gonna crease.
So now on this part of my face, we're going to try that hack, and this is my first time actually trying this hack. I wanted to try it for the longest time, but I wanted to try it on camera just for you. And the moisturizer that I'm using is Garnier, like botanical cream with green tea extract, and I really love this one. It really makes my skin like nice and soft, and it refreshes my face because it has sort of a cooling effect. And a half of my nose. Okay, maybe I put too much, but never mind. Next, I'm going to be using my loose powder, and that is my Revolution. It doesn't have like a translucent loose setting powder, and I'm going to lightly dust it all over my face. I think that this is going to make my face be so cakey. I'm not even kidding you guys. After that, we're using fixing like a setting spray. This is Makeup Revolution Iced Diamond setting spray. I will put it only on this part of my face, this part no. I'm going to wait for it to dry, and after that I'm going to be using my primer. I don't know, should I use this same? No, I'm not going to use actually this primer because then it would give me the same effect as here. I will be taking my NYX Shine Killer. It doesn't look really cakey as I thought, because I thought this would be like cakey as hell. And now we're going to apply our foundation, and foundation I'm going to be applying it all over my face so we can finally see the difference between this and this side, and to see which hack is better. For foundation, I'm also using Revolution Conceal and Define. Okay, and now we're going to see on this side. Okay, this side also looks good. So guys, I'm going to zoom you in so I can show you the both sides. This side is with Revolution primer and it feels kind of sticky, but bear in mind that on this side I only have primer on my face and then foundation, and this side looks a little bit better. It's not sticky, it feels nice, it feels good. But as you can see, I have fixing spray here, I have translucent powder, and I think if I put all those things here, it would be pretty much the same. But tell me in the comment section down below which side do you prefer more. Now we can move on the next hack. So let's try that. I'm using Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealers and my shade is actually 32 Nude Beige. Like that. Okay. The lightest shade that I have is the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to apply it here. And this hack, yeah, I feel like I need more coverage maybe, but it's not bad. Oh, yeah. For some reason, I think that this is not going to work, but let's try it. So guys, I also zoomed you in for this hack so you can basically see my before and after, and this is my before. Okay, now I think it's okay. I don't see this working, and I really hoped that this would work. Oh, maybe it's working a little bit. I really hoped that this would work. So, how you like it? I don't see too much of a difference, to be honest. I don't know. Do you see it? So we're going to see a next hack.
How to make your eyes look more almond shaped and snatched just using eyeshadow as eyeliner. So the key is to use brown eyeshadow so that the extension of your eye shape you're creating looks more natural. To extend the shape of your eye, you want to create a line following your waterline right here, pointed towards the tail of your eyebrow. Just like that. Then create a line from the edge of the wing to the middle of your lash line.
I like this one. I like this one a lot.
Right there. Then fill in that space there, and you can already see the change of eye shape that created. And then create a thin line of brown eyeshadow underneath to make your eyes look even more snatched, and that's exactly how you create almond eyes using eyeshadow.
I like this one a lot. I'm taking on this angled brush this brown eyeshadow. And here to give it like a better shape, and I think this is working because my eye has pretty cute, nice shape now. So next hack. This is my favorite hack. Look at this. Like, I never thought of doing this actually, but this is my favorite hack. So we're going to do that now. So you basically do this, like you pinch. And my mirror is so far away from me. But bam! As you can see, we have a little bit of nose situation here, but we're going to fix that. I need a mirror for this. But this hack works and you have to try it out for yourself. It will give you the best wing ever.
If you're someone that struggles with putting falsies on, here's a tip that might save your life. Grab your glue, preferably one that has a brush. Put it on your eyelid the same way you would apply eyeliner. Grab your eyelash and apply.
I have only black eyelash glue, so I don't think this one will work, but we're going to try it out and to see what is going to happen. Okay, this one, it's kind of hard and I think I'm going to make a mess everywhere on my eye, but for a science purpose we're going to do it. Basically I'm applying glue like I would apply eyeliner. This is so messy. It worked, but it's actually really hard to do it this way. So guys, for some reason I can't save that last clip to show you, but the last hack that I have for you is the one where you take container with flat surface like this, and then you take makeup wipe and you cover it like this. You definitely saw it, everyone's doing that. I'm just going to wrap it really tight with my fingers, and then you have some dirty palette that you have, like this one. As you can see, it's dirty, and okay, look at this. Now this baby, look at this. Now this baby is clean. Okay guys, I'm really happy, I'm really glad if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and comment in the comment section down below what is the next video that you would like for me to film. And yeah, I'm going to keep it this one short and sweet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!